All right, guys. So you get a new knife, right? Take it out of the box. Oh. Play with it a little bit. But when you go to try to close it, it just doesn't want to drop shut. It just, you know, maybe because it's a frame lock, but it just doesn't want to. Oh, there it went. You know, I could break it in a little bit, flick it like 47 million times over the span of the next week, but I don't have time for that. So I'm going to show you guys a real quick tip today on how to break in your knives right away. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you want to do, you want to get some water. Okay, so let's say you have a knife like this, right? It's just ridiculous, way too stiff, right? So you take the knife, okay, you let it sit in the water, okay, and then you make sure, you know what, let's check the warranty for this before we because sometimes when you lubricate your knives and open them, it can void the warranty. So cleaning, always keep your knife clean. Wipe away debris and if needed, wash with a mild detergent and dry thoroughly. Do not let your knives. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.